Greek is here.
It's me, Greek. Hide your pants. You do know I don't steal panties, right?
People say you have a lot of panties.
Do you believe, do you think I'm the type of guy that is still?
No, but I know you're the type of guy who has Pokemon's pillow.
No, that's not mine. That's Soda Poppins.
Oh.
I got rid of that ages ago.
That's mine.
Dude, you're not taking this, dude. You're not taking this.
I actually am.
You're actually,
no, seriously, I'm having it. Stop. No.
Stop.
You're not gonna
Stop.
I actually, seriously, give me that back.
I got rid of it. Yeah, let's go eat.
Kappa.
No, this means yes, Kappa. Guys, I seriously got rid of it. So.
Hey guys, what's up, burger? Advice how to motivate myself to lose weight.
Don't go to Whataburger. Don't come here. It's the worst place. You've got to cook your own food.
Hey, they have salad too. This is the Matty something.
Yeah, looks nice. Okay, you got to do a random dance. So when you got it, you do this. Oh, the Hawaiian dance. Okay. Okay, first gun I'm going to shoot is going to be a pistol. I know it's boring, but I feel like I need to practice with a pistol because say if ever I'm like on a ranch or something and I need to defend myself from home invaders, I need to know like how to use a pistol. So that's the most useful thing. I don't think this is a date. Okay, this isn't a date. She's just come from Korea and I'm hanging out with her. Okay, dude, if this is a date, this sucks because like. Because you can't talk. You can't talk. A kiss.
No.
That's like that'd be a win for her.
That'd be a win for you.
No, that'd be a win for you.
No, that'd be a win for you.
Oh, okay.
So why don't I? The loser has to give 10 cents.
Okay. See that we shook on it, guys. This is why you asked me out to go shooting with you like a date.
No. We've got quite a variety.
Okay, so
Glocks, SIGs, AR-15s.
I want to shoot some silenced pistols. Like, do you have a silenced pistol with a red dot?
With a red dot? No, but I do have...
Silence pistol with a red dot, guys.
Okay, that's pretty cool.
Everything. Look at this.
Oh my god.
Suppress 45?
Yeah, that looks sick.
Suppress 9 mil.
So good.
Whoa.
Is it heavy? Is it better to have it heavy or lighter?
Depends on preference. So the heavier the gun, generally
recoils less, right?
Recoil better, so lighter recoil.
I think I'll try that one.
This one?
Yeah.
Go with the 9.
If we're having a competition, we should use the same gun.
Yeah, so you shoot one round and I shoot one round.
Okay.
Why don't we go with one? I don't do 5 at a time.
5 at a time?
You load 5 in the magazine, you shoot 5, see how good you do. Then she shoots 5. See not only who is the better shot consistently.
Okay.
Because one shot, maybe that was luck. Put 5 in a small group, that's good.
Okay. Alright. You look like an anime girl that's about to shoot guns.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. You like that?
Yeah.
See, look. Wow. I don't know how to put these ammo in.
You don't know how to put the ammo?
Dude, it's harder when there's this kind of stuff. Oh shit, dude. Oh shit, she knows how to do this.
Whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
What the hell was that, dude?
Yep.
And now it's ready to shoot. Oh, you hit his hair? How are you better than me? Oh my god! What the fuck? Dude, good job, seriously. Oh my god. Dude, that's so good. You got 1, 2, 3, 2 shots there, dude. In his eye.
Yeah.
What? off! This is broken, mate. Fuck off! This is fucking rigged, mate. Stop laughing at me.
I'm not
I'm
laughing.
a good shot.
I know. I'll be horrible at it.
Take your time, okay? Did you do good?
No,
What is that?
I shot
Wait,
his
you
ear.
shot him? Wait, where were you aiming?
I was aiming here.
You were aiming there and you shot his ear? You really don't like ears. Korean aim. So who won?
Okay,
This is going to be difficult because... Right, chat. So the first 5 shots were meant to be at this guy's head, right? Just somewhere in his head. So these were my 5 shots. I missed one here, but I got 4 in here. The second one, I got 1 in here, and I missed 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Now you, on the other hand, you hit all 5 shots on the head, okay? 2 in the eye, so that's like pretty good. But on this one, you didn't even hit it once. So I think, because you didn't hit it once and I hit it once,
Gregory won. GGX won.
it might be a tie. We tied.
Hi.
Yeah.
We kind of want to shoot the big guns now. Yeah, but do we have the same ammo? I mean, do they use the same ammo?
These are not. This one is.
It's
Not the same, just a
Got a
little bit
red dot
smaller
too.
and runs off 9mm.
Can I see down the red
And
dot?
look, no hands.
Whoa.
Can I see down the red dot?
Yeah, there we go. See? Green. Whoa.
You said all red dots were red.
True, green dot.
Yep.
Yeah, you look like a spy here.
Yeah?
Yes. Nice. Okay, aim for the green. Oh. Oh. Aim up a bit. There we go, there. Aim. Yes, and again, same place. And again. Oh, you got 3 in there. In the same spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Turn on the red dot. Yeah, the dot is already on. Rick's turn.
Wow.
Wow.
Not bad. That's pretty good grouping right there, boys. Looks like we got 10 shots. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Super,
5,
thank you
6,
for
7,
stuff.
8,
I'm
9. Okay, so you're gonna shoot
Uh-huh.
this one here, okay?
This one?
This is what you're aiming for. But I'm gonna put it like at 10.
10.
It was at 7 last time. Alright, so take it off, yeah. Now go all out, spray at that dot to the right. Go, go. And again, 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 again. Nice.
Blow up.
Oh, you did pretty well actually. What the hell? For spraying? That's not bad actually for spraying. I took my time with mine. That's not bad. Is we were in there, everybody was shooting, and she had the headphones off, and I was talking to her. She took the headphones off in there, and she was like, "What did you say?" And then some guys like, "Boom, boom, boom." She's like, "Ah, dude."
So loud.
I won, dude. There was no way.
Yeah, he won.
Look at your one.
Yeah,
My one.
yeah. I mean, he
So you
won.
have to gift me 10 subs.
Yeah, I will. Some Korean viewers say you became really handsome.
What do you think?
Yeah, of course.
You think I'm handsome?
Yeah, you're very handsome.
See, guys, I told you. See? Look, I've been dealing with this my whole life. I'm just a handsome guy. And all the ladies love me. And I'm an alpha male and I'm the best. Okay, Recful's here.
Okay, guys, I'm using Recful's Wi-Fi. So this place is Recful's house. Ta-da! Holy moly! Look at this amazing view, guys. Texas, baby. Yeehaw, land. Is this the one that, what is it? Waterbed or something?
No, it's a love sack.
Love stick?
It's a beanbag.
Ah, beanbag.
Wait, give her some space.
No, it's
With
okay.
you,
It's
with
okay.
you,
No,
with you.
it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Now get in.
No, it's okay.
I'll hold it.
No, it's okay.
Yeah, hold it. Hold. Yeah.
That's pretty nice. Send that to me.
Yeah, you like that shit?
Really? Whoa.
Chat can forward me all you like. Guys, I got a stream for my fucking UK boys. Like, sorry, I gotta wake up in the morning. They made me, the UK boys. They made me. Like, I can't ditch.